I got this idea for a video because I was looking around and I couldn't really find anything. But here goes. I have a gap in my laminate flooring and I'm about to fix it. So my tools today are a Zep suction cup. And about halfway through this, I realized that it's on the wrong side. It just didn't feel right. So I put it on the other side. And that feels just right. So what I'm going to need to do is I'm going to need to tap it in order to bring the boards together. So just make sure it's in the right spot. Yeah, this is my third try trying to get it to the right spot. So once I find it, I just use a little bit of force. Start out with the hammer just to tap it just a little bit. And then I pull it toward me. And then, voila, it's fixed. And you can put a little bond in between that so it'll stay. And there you have it, a gap repaired. Now let me get to work on the other ones.